Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the camera comparison test between the iPhone 10 versus the S10. Which of these two 10 devices are the best? Which one is the clear winner? You guys see what I did there? Clear winner, clear picture. Never mind. But of course, I'm your host with the most, SimplyPops. But yeah, maybe you're coming from an iPhone 10, you want to get the S10, but you want to see how good is the camera. Is the camera better on the S10 or is it worse on the S10? Let's find out right now. On the left is the Samsung Galaxy S10 and on the right is the iPhone 10. Which of these two pictures look better in your opinion? Everything's opinion based. Of course, you guys can pause around, see which picture you want to look at in more detail, and look at my car. It looks a little bit more shiny, and on the iPhone it looks a little bit more natural in real life. It just depends on you. Would you rather take one picture and throw it up on Instagram with no editing allowed, or would you rather have something like the iPhone? You take it, you might have to put it in Lightroom or Photoshop, do some editing. It's totally up to you, but all in all, both of these phones, camera wise, spot on. I cannot, it's hard for me to choose which one is better. It really is. It's just, it comes down to you. And I'm sorry to interrupt you guys, but can we take the time out and appreciate the ultra wide angle lens on the S10? Man, look at that. If you have a group family photo, everybody's getting in the shot. Look at my car, for example. You can see the entire, the windows, the rear mirrors. Oh my God. Look at this. I'm inside my car, mind you. The S10, you can see exactly that. It's just crazy. Here are the effects, the portrait effects on the iPhone 10. So your bells and whistles are right there. And then we have the S10, all the portrait effects too. Now, time for the video comparison. I just want to let you guys know this entire video is unedited, no color correction, no LUTs, nothing like that, no sharpen, completely unedited. Including the intro, I shot it on the 80D, but that 80D is unedited too as well. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. The whip, look at the colors. Is it over? The colors are a little bit more natural, so when you do want to edit it, you can. All right, so iPhone 10 on the left and iPhone, all right guys, so iPhone 10 on the left and the S10 on the right. As you guys can see, look at the colors, look at the sky, look at the building. Which one is better? And everything is all personal preference. You do have the stereo speakers on the S10. The iPhone doesn't have stereo speaker unless you get the 10s. Yeah, the sky look kind of yellow on the S10, and it's kind of windy too. Front-facing camera on both devices. I gotta say, the S10 look kind of weird, but it does look better. But I like the realism on the iPhone 10 compared to the S10. And keep in mind, the front-facing camera on the iPhone is 1080p compared to, let me go inside. Compared to the 4K at 30 frames per second on the S10. But yeah, I like the way how the iPhone looks in terms of the front-facing. It looks kind of weird on the S10, to be honest with you guys. Yo, let me show you guys something. This is the S10, the regular S10, and look, when I switch into a wide-angle lens, look, you can see my legs, you can see the steering wheel. Totally craps all over the iPhone 10 or even 10s. I'm using a front-facing camera. Of course, this is 4K at 30 frames per second. Let me know how's the audio quality. I know it's a little windy. I'm actually riding my electric skateboard. And yeah, you can easily start a YouTube channel with just this. Yeah, $1,000. You're getting a great camera, a great phone that does a lot. You know, it's really not that much to complain about with the S10, to be honest with you guys. Alright guys, so this is the iPhone 10. The iPhone 10 doesn't have a stereo microphone, so keep that in mind. And the only reason why, honestly, I'm comparing the S10 to the iPhone 10 is because, let's be realistic here. If you got an iPhone 10s, you're probably not even thinking about the S10, probably. You know, you're probably not due for an upgrade, so this is the only reason why I'm doing a camera test. And maybe you want to get the S10, coming from an iPhone 10, so I want to be a little different.
For you.
Oh, cool. Perfect.
You just got that?
Action. Both cameras, regular lens, no wide angle. Oh, shit. I missed that guy. Alright, testing out the zoom capabilities on both devices. You guys can see it's kind of hard to test out both, but you can see the zoom. This S10 can go up to 10 times. All right, peace. All right, yeah, I'm just recording them. And then look, yeah, so the S10 can zoom in a lot. Yo, the skills. Look at that. That's fire, y'all. It's fire. Testing out the wide angle lens. In low light conditions. 12:30 in the morning, almost 1 o'clock. I hope you guys enjoyed right now. I'm recording using the S10. I'm using the rear camera, the wide angle. I can't see it, but I'm pretty sure I'm into frame. The wide angle lens is really no joke. But let me know down in the comments down below, which camera is better. A lot of people like the vivid stuff. You take it, you throw it on Instagram, and that's it. No need to edit it whatsoever. But some people like the natural stuff because you can edit the video or edit the photo the way how you like it. But some people just like the natural stuff. But one thing that's a huge bonus, and I might even give it a slight edge to the S10, is that wide angle lens. I mean, come on, look how much you guys can see. I know you guys can see a lot in the background. The wide angle lens, the ultra wide angle lens, is really no joke. It's amazing for taking a huge family photo. Everybody's in the shot, or it's just the possibilities are endless with the ultra wide angle lens. Make sure you guys subscribe with notifications on, drop a like on this video, it helped me out a bunch, and comment down below, team S10 or team iPhone 10. It's your pick, it's your choice.